What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Coach K with the motivational tip of the day. Believe in yourself. Yep, another video about believing in yourself. Here's the reason why you should believe in yourself. You know, when you have that conversation with God, the conversation or the idea when God communicates to you comes to you within yourself. So that idea comes within you. It comes within yourself, right? Talking to you, right? He's giving you ideas, right? Then you take those ideas and you put them into play. So if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to believe in the idea that God gave you. You're not going to believe in the idea that God gave you, because ideas don't automatically just pop up in your mind, especially for the things that you want to accomplish or do or be in your life. Because you always, if you pray to God, say, God, I really want this car. I really want this Infiniti G37. I'm just using an example. This G37 Infiniti car, paid in full, all black, blah, 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 blah. You would get an idea of what to do and how to accomplish that. You may not have a job. You may not can afford it, but it doesn't matter. The idea will come to you sooner or later, and that's why you got to always pay attention. You got to pay attention to your idea. Maybe you need to write a book. Maybe you need to go to business with somebody. Maybe you need to get a second job. Those ideas comes to you for a reason. They come to you for a reason because that's what you asked for, and it's telling you the quickest way to do what you need to do in order to accomplish your goal dream. That simple, it's that easy, but a lot of people, like myself, don't follow our plan or follow the idea that God has given us or the strategy. If He's telling you to do it this way in your mind, and you keep asking, you wondering why God or the universe or whatever infinite one has not granted you your wish or your dream, it's because you're not paying attention. You're not paying attention of the ideas pretty much the ideas that He's giving you to accomplish your goal or dream. You got to pay attention. You got to pay attention. That's why it's also too important to believe in yourself, because everything you ask for, it always comes back within you. And then sometimes you can start doing those, you can take that idea and run with it and not even recognize or even remember that you're doing this in order to get that, what you asked for. I've done it. And I've done it multiple times. But the point is, let's make sure that you believe in yourself, because like I said, everything that you need is within. Whatever you want to accomplish, you will get the idea within to do it. There's always going to be a trigger. There's always something that's going to tell you, do it this way, do it that way. You may get an idea to become a manager. I mean, anything. You got to pay attention to those things that you ask for, whatever you ask for. But that was basically from the car. I was talking about the car, the G37 Infiniti. But regardless of what you want, pay attention to you. Believe in you. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to get those ideas and those goals, those dreams accomplished. Because God talks to you from the within. This is Coach K signing off. Y'all know what it is. Peace.